If you're seeing the ChatGPT error that says failed to get your settings, don't worry. This is usually a browser session issue, a cache problem, or something on your network blocking ChatGPT from loading your profile data properly. In this video, I'll show you the quickest fixes step by step so you can get back into ChatGPT fast. And if this tutorial helps, go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe for more helpful tech fixes just like this. Now, let's jump right in. The first thing to try is a simple refresh, but not just a normal refresh. You want to force reload the page so your browser pulls in a fresh version of the site instead of using old temporary files. On Windows or Linux, press Ctrl and F5 at the same time. On a Mac, press Command, Shift, and R. This can instantly clear up small glitches that cause the settings page to fail loading. If that doesn't work, the next step is to clear the site data for ChatGPT specifically. This is often more effective than clearing your entire browser history because it targets only the corrupted data tied to ChatGPT. Open ChatGPT in your browser, then go to Cookies and Site Data and choose Manage On-Device Site Data. From there, look for OpenAI.com and chat.openai.com, then click the trash icon next to each one. After that, click Done and refresh the page again. This forces ChatGPT to rebuild its session data from scratch. If you still see the error, check whether a VPN, ad blocker, or other browser extension is interfering with the site. Tools like these can block the requests ChatGPT needs in order to load your settings. Temporarily turn off your VPN first, then disable any ad blockers or privacy extensions one by one and reload ChatGPT after each change. If the page loads normally after disabling one of them, you found the cause. Another important step is checking OpenAI's server status. Sometimes the issue is not on your device at all. If OpenAI is experiencing degraded performance, outages, or login problems, your browser settings won't fix it until their service is restored. Go to status.openai.com and look for any alerts related to ChatGPT, especially anything marked degraded performance. If there is an outage, the best move is to wait and try again later. A few extra tips can also help. Make sure you're signed into the correct ChatGPT account, especially if you use multiple emails or workspaces. Try opening ChatGPT in an Incognito or private window to see if the problem is related to your browser profile. You can also try a different browser, like Chrome, Edge, Firefox, or Safari, to rule out a browser-specific issue. And if your internet connection is unstable, restart your router or switch networks to see if the page loads properly. Once you've completed these steps, ChatGPT should be able to load your settings again without that failed to get your settings error. In most cases, the fix is either clearing the site data or removing a network filter that's blocking the request. So start with the force reload, then clear the ChatGPT site data, then test your VPN or ad blocker, and finally check the OpenAI status page if nothing else works. If this video helped, please like the video and subscribe to the channel. That support really helps me make more quick tutorials and troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.